Beautiful day on the 212. Find some clothes that fit you, find your own personal style, stick with it. There is a store called Peter Manning in New York City. They cater to a guy 5'9" and under. Victor's our victim. That's a joke. He's here somewhere in the park. Hey, Victor.
Hey, Jim.
Moore, how are you?
How are you?
Nice to meet you. There's a lot of big stuff out there. It's not a matter of just sizing up. It's
Yeah.
like you've got the close stuff to fit you, and then they can have a nice drape. My whole thing with a jean jacket is the shoulders I feel like should fit.
I am just looking for help to look a little better.
I don't think I can reveal yet. It's too good. Step on to my beautiful white room here. This looks so cool on you. I gotta just take it all in. You just want that one piece it's like a little coat of armor, like something that keeps you covered. Fit on this, fits in perfectly in the shoulders. It's the right length. Let's take a look at these chinos. The length is perfect. What I love about Peter Manning is that you can pick your inseam.
What do you think?
Oh, I like that. I like the 360.
A Canadian tuxedo is totally my bag. Yeah.
Let me tell you, this sport jacket is going to do you a lot of favors. You're buying the chambray shirt, perfect color. You're buying the sport jacket that you're going to wear with everything. And then you're wearing the trend of the season, which is the bleached jeans. Oh, it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. Check it out.
This is my favorite thing that I put on today, for sure. Look how cool this is.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
This is the shade of olive that looks great on absolutely everybody. I love the blue sneakers because, as we said before, it's bringing up some color from the top part of the outfit, but also you're not taking yourself too seriously. We got the green suit back on. Something really modern about it, and it's because we matched the tie to the jacket. It's just ravishing. I mean, I think it's just like makes you glow, and it's got that nice luster to it. Clothes for the not so tall guy. Now that's a great slogan.